So when you go to sleep, right before you go to sleep, this is so important. You can literally I've literally manifested so many things in my life by doing this. When you go to sleep, I'm gonna give you a routine. Boom, you in your bed, you about to go to sleep. Tell yourself, I love myself, man. I love myself. And now imagine, like literally, this is the main, you need to literally visualize this, bro. Visualize your dream life. Boom, you in the bed, just visualize everything that you have. Like, dang, bro, I'm grateful for all my businesses. I'm grateful that, bro, I can literally buy any car I want, bro. I got multiple cars. Dang, bro, like I done put my family on. Like, bro, my life is fucking perfect. Like, I love my life. You know what I'm saying? Boom. And then go to sleep on that feeling, bro. Literally feel that deep within your soul. Go to sleep on that feeling. Do that for 90 days. I guarantee you, I bet my bank account your life has changed. I bet my whole bank account your life will change you doing that for 90 days straight. And don't stop at 90 days. Do that for the rest of your life.